The new Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven provides you with a healthier, easy-to-use cooking method that produces great-tasting treats by using less fat. Air frying, which uses powerful ultra-hot air and 98% less oil than deep frying, is a healthier way to cook. Prepare your delicious fried favorites from wings and fritters to fries and shrimp using little or no fat in the cooking process. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a premium full-size toaster oven with a built-in air fryer, which means it uses a combination of hot air, high blower velocity, and 4 upper heating elements to not only bake, toast, and broil, but also to air fry your favorite foods. Frying your favorite crispy foods with less fat, baking, broiling, and toasting. Now you can be guilt-free and enjoy the crunch without the calories with the new Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven.
Hi, Emeril Lagasse here, cooking with my Power Air Fryer 360. It's like having me in your kitchen. Bam, bam, bam. Rotisserie whole chicken with just one touch. That's so crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Even everyday meals come out perfectly cooked. It's like having me in your kitchen.
Enjoy all the crunch without the calories. The Cuisinart Air Fryer is engineered to ensure golden brown results every time with little or no oil. Air frying is a healthier alternative to deep frying in oil. A high-velocity fan and an upper heating element circulates the air to prepare a variety of foods that are both delicious and healthier than traditionally fried foods. With its large capacity yet compact design, it takes up very little space, but can air fry up to 2.5 pounds of food at once with minimal noise and maximum heat. Air fry your favorite foods such as chicken wings, French fries, and even prepare a complete meal in one step. Sooner you will need them. Watch your food fry healthier and faster. It's so simple to use. Turn one knob to regulate the temperature and the other to set the timer. The Cuisinart Air Fryer is easy to clean and complements any kitchen decor with its non-stick interior and complete stainless steel design. Less oil, more air, maximum flavor. The Cuisinart Air Fryer.
Find out what countertop cooking is all about with the Performance Convection Countertop Oven from Black & Decker. The extra large capacity is perfect for everything from small snacks to full meals. It fits 2 12-inch pizzas or 9 slices of bread. 3 different rack positions give you options for spacing food, and the bake and broil pan fits perfectly into the oven. The control panel is where the versatility really shines. The timer goes up to 120 minutes, and 12 pre-programmed settings offer the best time and temperature for all your favorites. There's even a turbo setting that uses constant maximum power to cook food 20% faster than the normal bake settings. The oven is designed with expert temp technology, which lets the oven perfectly cook any type of food based on the digital program you select, all without waiting on a preheat cycle. This is way more than just a toaster oven. It can replace your traditional large oven for almost any cooking task. It's really that good. The Performance Convection Countertop Oven from Black & Decker.
Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is compact in size, yet spacious enough to air fry up to 2.5 pounds of food at once with minimal noise and maximum ease. With features of full-size models, this innovative unit has 6 functions: convection bake and convection broil, air fry, toast, bagel, and warm. Air frying is a healthier alternative to deep frying in oil. A high-velocity fan and an upper heating element circulates the air to prepare a variety of foods that are both delicious and healthier than traditionally fried foods. Air fry favorites such as chicken wings. Toast 4 slices of bread or bagel halves at once to serve up a quick and easy breakfast. Bake a 3-pound chicken in less than 60 minutes and save time with easy cleanup. The Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer Toaster Oven has temperatures of up to 450 degrees and offers great performance without crowding the countertop. It's so simple to use. Turn the knobs to select function, time, and temperature. Enjoy all the crunch without the calories. The Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer Toaster Oven.
Introducing the Crisp and Bake Air Fry Toaster Oven from Black & Decker. It combines 2 kitchen appliances into one. All the convenience of a countertop toaster oven, now with air fry technology. The air fry function is so easy to use. Just fill the frying basket, turn the function to air fry, and set the time. No preheat necessary. You can make French fries, frozen snacks, cuts of meat, and more. While a deep fryer submerges food in high-fat oil, the air fryer uses convection technology to circulate high-intensity hot air. This method adds a delicious crisp to your favorite fried foods, all with little to no added oil. You also get classic toaster oven performance with functions like toast, broil, bake at specific temperature, and keep food warm. Set the cook timer for predictable results, or use the stay on function for longer cooking tasks. With the toasting function, use the shade timer to get the exact results you want. The Crisp and Bake comes in 2 sizes to fit your family's needs. Make toast for big breakfasts, pizza for the party, or a full pan for family dinner. The larger model fits a 9 by 13 inch pan with handles, so you can use the pans you already own. The ease and convenience of a toaster oven, now with air frying, a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods. You get it all with the Crisp and Bake Air Fry Toaster Oven, only from Black & Decker.
Air frying just got easier with the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven. It offers a variety of ways to perfectly air fry family favorites using 98% less oil. The 0.6 cubic foot capacity oven can air fry up to 3 pounds of food, toast 6 bagel halves, roast a 4-pound chicken, or bake a 12-inch pizza. This oven offers a wide range of temperature options from 80 degrees to 450 degrees. With low temperatures, you can slow cook, proof dough, and dehydrate. The high temperature options are for baking, broiling, and air frying. This intuitive unit is equipped with a wide range of digital programs such as bake, broil, pizza, roast, toast, bagel, reheat, warm, and dual cook. Additional one-touch air frying presets include favorites, fries, chicken wings, nuggets, snacks, and veggies. The one-touch dual cook feature enables you to combine 2 cooking types such as bake, broil, pizza, and roast, and run them automatically. Use the defrost functionality for items such as toast, bagel, and pizza. You can even control the fan speed from low to high for precision convection results. The Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven is equipped with dishwasher-safe parts, an LCD screen, integrated quick reference guide, stay cool handle, and an interior light to keep an eye on your food as it's cooking. The stainless steel appliance features a modern design with a sleek touchpad control panel and non-stick interior for easy cleaning. With an 1800 watts of power, extra large capacity, and a multitude of functions, the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven delivers state-of-the-art results.